Good morning, folks. For those of you who had trouble putting type on a curve, this is for you. So I want you to watch this video and then go back into your quiz and put type on a curve. So I'm going to show you a second way right now, since I have your attention. I'm going to make sure my fill is none. I'm going to draw a curve. So I'm going to grab the pen tool and just make lovely curve. Okay, and hit the P key to release. Then I am going to go to the text tool. I'm holding down until I get text on a path tool. And I can click anywhere on this path. And it automatically puts in some type, but I'm going to put in Happy Halloween. Okay. Then I can select that type and I can go and pick a font. So I know some of you were also having trouble being able to access other fonts. So if you go to the font, you see the Find More, and I already have Abigail put in here, but if there was something that you wanted, you could just go to Find More, and it's taking a little bit of time. Initializing. So now it's showing me other fonts. These are all the different Adobe fonts that I don't have loaded, so I could pick anything from here. So let me pick this one, who I don't even know how to pronounce that. And so after I click it, it will be in the list of fonts. I forget what it started with now. It was gimmick something. But anyway, it would be in this list, okay? So that's how you add a new font. I just picked anyone. And then you can go in and change the size. And then when I click on this, it no longer has that black underline that it had when I started. I can go and modify this with the direct selection tool. I can click on it. I'm going to zoom in here. And so I can go in and click on my path to change my path to get a nice curve. And I can also click in my text. So the difference was clicking right where the path is and clicking right on the text. So when I click on the text, I get these handles that create my start position, and a handle, whoops, that when I drag creates my, moves it underneath, or can, try again. I can grab this and move it all the way to the end, and it's sometimes finicky. But then once I have my text already on the tool, I can use the regular text tool and I can center it. And so it is centering it within that line. Oh, I see why I couldn't do that. This was my center point. Sorry, I had the end point hidden over here behind this box when I was zoomed out. So that's why I was having trouble. So here is my end point. So notice how it's changing where the text is because it's centering it between the beginning point and the end point. Okay, if I want my text to be on the other side of the line, I just drag it. So now it's upside down, which if you had a situation where, next thing I want to show you is how to make a perfect arch of text. So here I am holding down the Shift key to add a circle. I can see my two midpoints here. I'm going to get this out of the way. So if I select my circle and I go to the knife or the scissors, I use the scissors, which is under eraser. And you can kind of remember eraser removes something, scissors remove something. And I just click on those 2 points. Now notice how only the dots handles are showing on the bottom part, that's because this is now two shapes, okay? And I can outline it and outline it so you can see that. I could also put it on a curve, but I wanted you, on the full circle, but I wanted you to see this. So I'm going to copy this text and I am going to show you one more time. I'm going to get the type on a path tool. I'm going to click here in the middle and paste it, but if I really want it to be centered, I go and I get my direct selection tool and I bring one endpoint here and I already have the other endpoint here and my text remains centered from when I had it selected before. And so then I can go and select this text here. I can put it on this one and also make it centered. It is centered, and go and bring my handles. So this is how you could put type on two sides of a curve. And you could also have the type on the inside of a curve as well. Okay, good luck.